The LUMIX S5IIX has the ability to stream directly from the camera to a supported platform of your choice via the inbuilt streaming encoder. This makes it perfect for small businesses, the solo presenter, or more advanced multi-cam live streaming studios. There are a few ways you can choose to stream, but by far the quickest and easiest is via the LUMIX Sync app on a mobile device using RTMP. This completely wireless way of streaming direct to platform makes for a quick and easy setup, which is perfect for small businesses or the solo presenter. There's no need for any third-party streaming software, and you can be up and running lightning fast. This makes it great for musicians who want to go live during a show or a studio recording, a solo presenter who wants an easy way to connect live to their audience, or a small business who wants to connect live to their customer base in a really easy and non-complicated way. If wireless is not for you, you can actually connect direct to your mobile device using USB-C tether, direct from your mobile phone to the camera's USB-C port. But that's not the only way to stream with this camera. If you want to step up your presentation capabilities, you can also stream via Ethernet cable using a simple USB-C to Ethernet adapter. This allows you to connect the camera directly to your computer's Ethernet port using LUMIX Tether, or via a connected router using software like OBS to import your camera's stream and then broadcast it to a platform. This will allow you to use custom created overlays like intro and outro screens, as well as many other elements you can import into OBS that are often seen in professional live streams. Using a connected router, the LUMIX S5IIX allows you to connect multiple cameras over Ethernet for true multicam live streaming capabilities without slowing your computer down using traditional methods like USB-C ports. This is a feature the more advanced streaming studios will love, or someone looking to set up fast and easy multicam streaming will jump towards. In addition to the great connection features, you can also use the real-time LUT function to bring in your favorite looks to your streams in camera. This is absolutely perfect for the producer who is often streaming from the same location and knows the exact LUT that will work perfectly for their environment. It's important to note here, this is not USB webcam functionality. This is true IP streaming capabilities directly from the camera. And this benefits a wide range of people, whether they have one camera or several, because the connection methods can support the on-the-go creator or the in-studio producer. Most computers don't run well with multiple USB connected cameras, but with LUMIX Direct Streaming, this is no longer an issue.